Difficult decision, obviously, for the referee, but big mistake. Particularly because we're going to miss the player for the game against Reading. He was one game away from clearing his yellow cards. Obviously, there has been a lot of writing about the yellow cards that he's been getting for decisions. Once, a couple of them have been good decisions, a couple of them haven't, and this one certainly wasn't. Gardner doesn't even look at the ball; he goes to the player. Today was a mistake, and I think the team gets penalised for the game against Reading for a player of this dimension. Didn't deserve to go one goal down in the first half, because we played some very, very good football, like we played at Villa the other day, but we just couldn't get the ball in the back of the net. So we told the players at the half time to keep going, because as soon as one goal will come, I think we felt that we could score 2 or 3. We scored another one, but we couldn't score the third one, although we had chances to it. So I think we went through a bit of suffering in the end of the game that we didn't deserve for what we done here today.